Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Update the iPhone and sign into your Apple ID so health and watch data sync properly. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled because pairing uses both radios for speed and reliability. Turn on the Apple Watch and bring it close to the phone. The watch shows a pairing animation. Now open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. You're initiating a secure handoff between the devices that establishes trust and encrypts data. You'll now confirm the connection. Point the iPhone camera at the animated pattern on the watch or enter the numeric code shown on the watch if needed. This verifies you own both devices. After pairing, follow prompts to set wrist preference and create a passcode to secure payments and health data. Once paired, decide whether to install all compatible apps now or later, and enable cellular if you have a supported plan so the watch can work independently of the phone when away. Finish by letting the watch restore settings and sync apps. This can take several minutes, so keep both devices charged and close together. Once synced, test basic features. Make a call, send a message, and open the heart rate app to confirm sensors and connectivity. If something goes wrong, try a quick restart of both devices, turn Bluetooth off and on, or unpair and reset the watch to factory defaults. That forces a clean pairing and resolves most connection glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.